Are you tired of the same old routine, dreaming of a vibrant new life in the heart of Europe? Do you envision a career that offers not just financial stability, but also unparalleled growth opportunities and a truly international experience? Many aspire to work abroad, but the challenge of securing a visa-sponsored job often feels like an insurmountable barrier. The dream of relocating to a country like Luxembourg, known for its high quality of life and robust economy, can seem distant. Finding a company willing to sponsor your visa, especially from outside the European Union, is a complex process. It requires navigating a labyrinth of job boards, understanding specific legal requirements, and presenting yourself as an indispensable asset. This journey can be daunting. You might wonder where to even begin your search, or how to distinguish legitimate opportunities from those that lead nowhere. The internet is awash with information, but pinpointing reliable sources for visa-sponsored roles in a specific country like Luxembourg demands precise knowledge and strategic effort. Today, we are going to demystify this process. We will explore the most effective job sites for finding visa-sponsored positions in Luxembourg, a country actively seeking skilled international talent. Luxembourg is not just a financial hub, it's a dynamic nation with a critical need for professionals across various sectors, and many companies are prepared to support your relocation. Let's dive into the primary platforms that can serve as your gateway to a career in Luxembourg. These sites are crucial starting points for anyone seeking employment with visa sponsorship. Understanding their unique strengths and how to effectively use their search functionalities is key to your success. Job site number 1. First, consider jobs.lu. This is arguably the most comprehensive and widely used job portal in Luxembourg. It features an extensive database of vacancies across nearly every industry, from finance and IT to logistics and healthcare. Its user-friendly interface allows for highly specific searches, making it an essential tool for your job hunt. When using jobs.lu, pay close attention to the advanced search filters. You can often filter by contract type, industry, and even language requirements. While there isn't always a direct visa sponsorship filter, look for keywords in job descriptions such as relocation assistance, international candidates welcome, or work permit support. These phrases are strong indicators that the employer is open to sponsoring non-EU applicants. Job site number 2. Next, we have monster.lu. As part of the global Monster network, this platform offers a broad range of job listings, including many from international companies with a presence in Luxembourg. Monster.lu is particularly strong for roles in technology, engineering, and multinational corporations. Its global reach means that many employers posting here are accustomed to hiring international talent. On monster.lu, similar to jobs.lu, you'll need to be proactive in identifying sponsorship opportunities. Search terms like visa, sponsorship, or relocation within the job description can help narrow down your results. Always read the full job posting carefully, as companies often detail their willingness to assist with immigration processes in the latter sections. Job site number 3. Indeed.lu is another powerful aggregator that pulls job postings from various company websites and other job boards across Luxembourg. Its strength lies in its sheer volume of listings and its intuitive search engine. Indeed.lu is excellent for discovering roles that might not be exclusively advertised on dedicated Luxembourgish portals. When using Indeed.lu, leverage its keyword search functionality. Combine your desired job title with terms like visa sponsorship, work permit, or EU Blue Card. While not every listing will explicitly state sponsorship, a significant number of international companies use Indeed to reach a global talent pool, making it a valuable resource for your search. Job site number 4. For those in the technology and IT sectors, itjobs.lu is a highly specialized platform. Luxembourg's growing tech scene means there's a constant demand for IT professionals, and many companies in this sector are well-versed in international recruitment and visa processes. This site is a must-visit if your skills align with the digital economy. itjobs.lu often features roles from major tech firms and innovative startups alike. Companies posting here are frequently looking for highly skilled individuals, and they understand that attracting top talent often means providing relocation and visa support. Look for companies that explicitly mention their international teams or global hiring initiatives. Finally, job number 5. Don't overlook LinkedIn jobs. While not exclusive to Luxembourg, LinkedIn is an indispensable tool for professional networking and job searching worldwide. Many Luxembourgish companies, especially larger corporations and international firms, post their vacancies directly on LinkedIn. It also allows you to connect with recruiters and employees, which can open doors to unadvertised opportunities. On LinkedIn, utilize the Jobs section and filter by location, Luxembourg. Then, use keywords like visa sponsorship, relocation, or work permit in your search. Furthermore, explore company pages of firms you're interested in. They often list their current openings. Networking with professionals in your field who are already in Luxembourg can also provide invaluable insights and potential referrals. Understanding how to identify potential visa sponsorship is crucial. Not every job posting will explicitly state visa sponsorship available, but there are clear indicators to look for. Employers who are open to sponsoring international candidates often use specific language or provide certain details within their job descriptions. Firstly, look for phrases such as relocation assistance provided, support with work permit application, or international candidates welcome. These are strong signals that the company is prepared to invest in bringing talent from abroad. Such companies typically have established processes for handling immigration paperwork. Secondly, pay attention to the company's profile. Large multinational corporations, particularly those with a global presence, are more likely to have the resources and experience to sponsor visas. These companies often have dedicated HR departments that specialize in international recruitment and mobility. Thirdly, consider the industry. Sectors experiencing significant talent shortages in Luxembourg, such as IT, finance, engineering, and specialized healthcare, are more prone to offering visa sponsorship. When demand for specific skills outstrips local supply, companies are more willing to look internationally and facilitate the necessary permits. Fourthly, if the job description mentions a requirement for fluency in multiple languages, especially English alongside French, German, or Luxembourgish, it often indicates an international work environment. Companies operating in such environments are generally more open to hiring from a diverse global talent pool. Finally, if you are unsure, do not hesitate to reach out to the HR contact listed in the job posting. A polite and concise inquiry about their policy on international hires and visa sponsorship can provide clarity. Frame your question professionally, highlighting your qualifications and genuine interest in the role. Beyond knowing where to look, strategic preparation is vital for a successful job search in Luxembourg. Your resume, language skills, and overall approach can significantly impact your chances of securing a visa-sponsored position. These practical tips will help you stand out in a competitive international market. First and foremost, polish your resume and tailor it specifically for the Luxembourg market. Luxembourgish employers value conciseness, clarity, and a focus on quantifiable achievements. Ensure your resume is no longer than 2 pages and highlights your most relevant skills and experiences. Use action verbs and provide concrete examples of your accomplishments. Research the typical resume formats and content expectations in Luxembourg. While English is widely spoken in professional settings, presenting your qualifications in a clear, professional manner that aligns with European standards will make a strong first impression. Consider including a professional headshot if it is common practice in your home country, but be aware that it is not a standard requirement in Luxembourg and can sometimes be omitted. Secondly, consider learning basic French or Luxembourgish. While English is the primary business language in many international companies, having a grasp of the local languages can be a significant advantage. French is widely used in daily life and administration, and Luxembourgish is the national language. Demonstrating an effort to integrate culturally can set you apart. Even a basic conversational level can show your commitment to living and working in Luxembourg. Many companies appreciate candidates who are willing to learn and adapt to the local culture. This can also open up more job opportunities, especially in roles that require interaction with local clients or government agencies. Thirdly, patience and thorough research are paramount. The process of finding a visa-sponsored job and relocating internationally can take time. Do not get discouraged by initial rejections or a slow response rate. Persistence is key. Continuously refine your search strategy and application materials based on feedback and your evolving understanding of the market. Research the companies you are applying to in depth. Understand their mission, values, and recent projects. This knowledge will not only help you tailor your applications, but also prepare you for interviews. Being well informed about the company demonstrates your genuine interest and commitment. Fourthly, network actively. LinkedIn is an excellent platform for this. Connect with professionals in your field who are already working in Luxembourg. Participate in online forums or groups related to Luxembourgish employment. Networking can provide insights into unadvertised roles, company culture, and valuable advice from those who have successfully navigated the relocation process. Informational interviews, where you speak with someone in your desired field to learn about their experience, can also be incredibly beneficial. These conversations can lead to referrals or direct opportunities that you might not find through traditional job boards. Finally, prepare for the interview process. Luxembourgish companies often conduct multiple rounds of interviews, which may include technical assessments, case studies, and behavioral questions. Practice articulating your skills and experiences clearly and confidently. Be ready to discuss your motivations for moving to Luxembourg and how you envision contributing to their team. Relocating to a new country, especially with the added complexity of visa sponsorship, naturally brings forth many questions and concerns. It's important to address these head-on and provide reassurance that this ambitious goal is indeed achievable. Many have successfully made this transition, and you can too. One common concern is the perceived difficulty of obtaining a work permit. While it is a formal process, Luxembourg's government has streamlined procedures for highly skilled workers. The EU Blue Card, for instance, is designed to attract qualified professionals from outside the EU by offering a fast track to residency and work permits. If you meet the salary threshold and have a valid job offer, the process becomes significantly more manageable. Another worry is the cost of living. Luxembourg is known for being expensive, particularly in terms of housings. However, salaries are also among the highest in Europe, which helps to offset these costs. Many companies offer relocation packages that can include temporary accommodation or assistance with finding permanent housing, easing the initial financial burden. You might also be concerned about cultural integration or language barriers. Luxembourg is a highly multicultural country, with a significant portion of its population being foreign-born. English is widely spoken in professional and social circles, making it relatively easy to settle in. The diverse community means you'll find people from all over the world, fostering a welcoming environment. It is crucial to understand that while visa sponsorship is possible, it is not guaranteed for every role or every applicant. Companies typically sponsor visas for positions where they cannot find suitable local or EU talent. This means your unique skills, experience, and qualifications are your strongest assets. Highlight what makes you an exceptional candidate. Always remember that the information provided here is for guidance purposes. Visa regulations and immigration policies can change. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to double-check the latest visa requirements with official sources. The Luxembourg government's immigration portal, the Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs, and the Directorate of Immigration are your primary authoritative sources. Consider consulting with an immigration lawyer specializing in Luxembourgish law if you have complex circumstances or wish to ensure every step of your application is meticulously handled. While not always necessary, a legal professional can provide tailored advice and help navigate any potential complexities, offering peace of mind throughout the process. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to approach your job search in Luxembourg, focusing on visa-sponsored opportunities. The path to a new career and life in Europe is within reach, but it requires proactive steps and consistent effort. This is your moment to transform your aspirations into reality. The information and resources shared today are designed to empower you. Take the time to explore each of the job sites mentioned, tailor your applications, and begin networking. Every application you submit, every connection you make, brings you closer to your goal. Now it's time to take action. Start by visiting the job sites we discussed: jobs.lu, monster.lu, indeed.lu, it.jobs.lu, and LinkedIn Jobs. Begin your search with the keywords and strategies we've outlined. Remember to be patient, persistent, and precise in your efforts. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a like. Your support helps us create more valuable content for job seekers and aspiring immigrants. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on international careers and relocation. We encourage you to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Have you had success finding a job in Luxembourg? Do you have additional tips or questions about the visa process? Your experiences and inquiries can help others in our community. For direct access to the job sites and additional resources, check the description box below this video. We've compiled a list of links to make your job search even easier. Your European dream is closer than you think. Start building your future in Luxembourg today.